You'd think I spent hours sketching these notes. But nope. Zero drawing skills, no fancy gadgets, just Gemini, and boom, I generated these in seconds using Gemini. Let me show you how to create yours for free. The process is simple and is made up of 2 steps. First, head over to Google Gemini. We need to feed it the right information. To do that, run the prompt shown on your screen. Make sure to replace the content in brackets with your own details explaining the topic you wish to visualize and the target audience for the notes. For even more specific results, I suggest you upload your own content like a PDF file, for example, into Gemini, and then run the prompt. This way, the final outcome will include the exact information you want. After Gemini responds to your initial prompt, it's time for the magic. We are going to turn that text into handwritten notes. So, in the same conversation, first let's enable Gemini's image generation feature. Next, we'll run the prompt shown on your screen. We are asking Gemini to create an infographic on a notebook paper in a 9:16 ratio in a handwritten style, based on the information we just generated. Let's run the prompt and wait until the creation process is over. Pretty neat and accurate, right? Oh, and as always, remember this. If you want to remove a specific section, or in their case that are spelling mistakes, just ask for refinements. Explain to the AI what it needs to change or remove, and it will fix it. Of course, if you prefer a horizontal layout instead, just change the aspect ratio of your prompt from 9:16 to 16:9. Now you might be asking if this method works with ChatGPT. It does. But although we found the results were of similar quality, sometimes the visuals felt a bit unrealistic compared to Gemini, yet overall the outcome was pretty decent. So pick whatever chatbot you prefer. You've now seen what Gemini can do with its image generation features, but honestly, that's just the tip of the iceberg. Most people are missing about 80% of what it's actually capable of. So I broke down the exact 3-phase system I use to handle my entirely daily workload without burning out. If you want to see the full picture, click the video shown on your screen. Till the next time, see you.